Welcome to this video on unlocking the power of positive thinking. In this video, we'll explore how positive thinking can help you achieve your goals and create a more fulfilling life. Positive thinking is a powerful tool that can help you create the life you want. It's all about focusing on the good and believing in yourself. When you focus on the positive, you can create a more positive outlook on life. Positive thinking can help you stay motivated and take action. It can help you stay focused on your goals and take steps to achieve them. It can also help you stay positive in difficult situations and find solutions. Positive thinking can also help you build relationships. When you focus on the positive, you can create a more positive environment and attract positive people into your life. Finally, positive thinking can help you stay healthy. When you focus on the positive, you can reduce stress and anxiety, which can help you stay healthy and happy. Positive thinking is a powerful tool that can help you create the life you want. So start focusing on the positive and unlock the power of positive thinking. Thanks for watching.